Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Current Sydney. I've got this Audi Q3 that we're working on, diesel, on this car here. Just want to show you there was a fault on the actual on the engine light was on, and there was a fault with the actual saying that the actual throttle position or something to do with the actual accelerator pedal or the throttle body position. Not it was a sporadic fault. So we have what we done. We removed the actual. Have a look inside there. Look inside the actual the intake manifold, full of soot, build up. Look at that. There's no space. We're gonna try to take it out, and then actually the throttle body now. This is your throttle body. Have a look how bad it is. Look at all this stuff here was stuck inside the throttle body. Probably restricting or trying to, maybe the actual butterfly was trying to move inside there, but it's not moving properly, causing the fault to come on. As you can see there, see here. So we need to clean that, and then clean this little bit here, and then put it back together, and then give it back to the customer, and then we'll go from there. That's the first thing we're going to do, because there's a lot of soot there causing the butterfly not to move properly, restricting it. Can be the pedal, accelerator pedal, but we're going to try start on this first before we condemn anything else. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.